Hey, this is Rusty Walker with NASRC. I'm standing in front of this adiabatic condenser. The whole goal behind this thing is so that I can manage to keep my system subcritical as long as I can by simply, once the ambient temperature gets above 80 degrees, I can put water on those pads. As I bring my warm air across these pads, I'm actually dropping the ambient temperature before it hits the condenser. The beautiful part about this is I'm not putting water on the condenser. I don't have to treat the water. I don't have to pay for the maintenance of that. And so this is a really good fit for a lot of systems, and it helps keep my maintenance costs lower, especially in places like California where I know I'm going to reach that and I'm going to get above that critical point. And so as long as I take care of it, do my PMs, this thing works and it will save you a ton of energy.